So welcome to our next episode on making money online. And on today's video, I'm going to show you another best website that I've discovered recently. And the website is Rapid Workers. In the last video, we talked about Rapid Worker, and in today's video, we're going to talk about Rapid Workers and how it works. Please, guys, please stay with me in tax, and I'm going to show you in details and explain it one by one, step by step, exactly how this website functions. Rapid Workers is an online website that has been functioning for a long time as employers, more than 100,000 employees working on Rapid Workers. Uh, it earns a decent amount of money, especially those who have been working on Rapid Workers for the last 10 months. And I'm going to show you another samples of those who have already withdrawn cash out on Rapid Workers. First of all, before going ahead, and I wish if you are watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and smash the bells so that you receive all the notifications of my upcoming videos that I'm still working on. Please keep watching up to the end so that you understand the all steps and procedures on how to work on your own. Okay, therefore we go. First of all, you open new tab if you are working in computer or mobile phones. Open new tab. Okay, you search for Rapid Workers. Rapid Workers. Yeah, this is Rapid Worker. Rapid Workers make money online. Yeah, this is the out interface of the website. You can fill your details. For new beginners, you can register, sign up now. For my case, I fill my details and submit. Yeah, guys, this is exactly how the website is look like. This is the interface of Rapid Workers. Uh, the goodness of platform is working worldwide, everywhere, wherever you are. You can access internet connections and machines. Therefore, you are good to go. Before you start tasking in Rapid Workers, you need to put things in organize and read all the policies and payment method. Therefore, you are eligible for such works. Therefore, you can sign in. Okay, and there are subcategories of jobs that you can earn. You see countries that are involved in Rapid Workers. We have USA, Spain, internationals, USE, United States of Emirates, French. It's like all Africans or all nations are involved in Rapid Workers. Therefore, it is international platforms or websites. Okay, job names here. For you to make work easier, you need to describe your jobs or the job that fit you better. Therefore, for my case, I can say YouTube. YouTube. Okay, this is all job related to YouTube's. There are thousands of jobs you can do. Second things, I can target your niche or your locations. In my case, I target internationally. Therefore, it is working everywhere. These are all available jobs. Let's look at examples of these jobs. You are getting 0.03 USD with 3 minutes. Uh, the job requires 500 workers, 425 have already done the job, meaning that the job is successfully. Okay, as I said before, I'm going to show you the step by step how to do this job and submit it successfully. Therefore, let's start. For example, starting with this job. First of all, you click here. Okay, be carefully here. Therefore, you read very carefully in the job description. Okay, they say work done. Work done. 422. I've already did it out of 500. They say you will be earning $0.3. The task has less than 3 minutes to finish. Campaign ID. This is the campaign ID. The name. Campaign names. This is YouTube payments. First news. Okay, you can accept this job if you are from this country only. Internationally, therefore, it's eligible for everyone. What is expected from workers? Okay, this is the most important part as a worker. You should consider this one very important. This is what is exactly expected from you. First of all, they said that you go to YouTube and search and find these thumbnails. This link here is a link of a thumbnails. Watch the full video. You can run even the video in the background. Therefore, you can run the video in the background and doing other activities. Okay, share on any other social media. Okay, after watch the video, you share in any other social media platforms. Please make sure you find the correct video. Therefore, make sure that you find the correct video. There is plenty. In case you find wrong video, there is no payment. This is the required proof. In required proofs, they said that you should take the screenshot of video page your full watch. Uh, you submit the two links of the social media you shared, and this is the end of it. Just as simple as that. First of all, we go to YouTube, as they said. Now here we are in YouTube. Okay, before going to YouTube, you copy this link here. Copy this link. Go to YouTube and paste the link here, the search bar. Okay, you see the first video. Okay, let's say we click to the video, watch the video until the end. As they said, you can run the video in the backgrounds. So watch the full video. You watch it all. Share on to social media. Okay. As the video is in the background, we're going to share this one in two social media. Okay. I prefer share this one in LinkedIn. I'm going to share this one here. Okay, the post was successfully. Therefore, next we're going to share these links in Twitter. And we tweet. That is good. Now we have these two links. Okay. Okay guys, what's remaining is just after you watch, you take the screenshot, and I hope you all understand how to take a screenshot, or you bend the links of the screenshot. I will show you here. Okay, snapping tools is available in all laptops. As video is still going, we go back to the interface and see other simple videos that we target, especially immediately after we finish that one. And in fact, in this website, you can do more than 100 of jobs or tasks. Therefore, it is estimated that if you did 100 tasks in 1 hour, you're getting $3. What if you are taking 5 hours per day, which is $15? Yes, you're good and free to go. Uh, yes, now the video is done. We have completed watching the video. Therefore, what remains is we take the screenshot and we like the video. That is what. This is how we take the screenshot, snapshot. We copy it. Therefore, I name it. Okay. KA. Okay. Very good. Now we are done with this task. Therefore, what is left is you come here and upload the screenshot. Is the screenshot of top. Here we have copied the link. Come and paste it here. Therefore, this is Twitter links. We copy it, paste it below. We have LinkedIn links. Copy it. And you paste it. Thank you for finishing the jobs, guys. This is all about rapid workers. It's just as easy as that. Now we took less than 2 minutes to finish this job. Therefore, you can do many jobs as possible. You have successfully, they said that you have successfully finished the job. Therefore, from here you can go to the next task, see which one fits you and which one you can do faster. Okay. The secret I can tell you more about the rapid workers is not how it costs or the amount. We talk about time here. Focus on time, especially. For example, say if you can do this task in less than 1 minute and you are getting $0.3, and in another task you are taking 3 minutes getting $0.4. Therefore, I prefer you doing this one with $3 with less than 1 minute or only 1 minute, then you finish it. Guys, this is all about rapid workers, and I'm telling you that I've tried it and I've confirmed the website is well, not scams. Especially people especially doubt about scamming. In fact, most of the websites nowadays are fakes. Therefore, we fear a scam. And I'm telling you, confirming that this website, Rapid Workers, is working and people are earning a decent amount of. And I can show you some of people who have been working here. Okay, you need to fill the account page for withdrawal to send into these links. Therefore, well, this is the withdrawal process. After you earn your money, you can come and cash it or cash them out here. Okay, guys, thank you all about for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Thank you.